From the University of Cambridge to the Monaco harbour, our story has already taken us further than we ever imagined. Last year, we turned a bold idea into a high-performance vessel. Our 2024 concept, Meridian, proved what might be possible. 2025 made it real. But in 2026, with experience, expertise, and drive, we're aiming even higher.
Our design philosophy is built on several key principles. Reliability is paramount, which we ensure through a rigorous build, test, repeat cycle. We're also designing for the real world, which means designing for replaceability. All of our components are easily swappable to minimize downtime. We have been using the CP cases enclosure for the last year, which has provided a light, modular, and easily upgradable package, which will be continued to be used for years to come.
Placing in the top half of teams in Monaco was more than a result, it was a foundation. Back in Cambridge, we're taking every success, every lesson, and every setback as fuel for what comes next.
This year's boat has been a step change across all subsystems.
Our focus of propulsion is on refinement and optimization. This means improving efficiency with a new custom propeller, increasing adjustability for maximum performance, and reducing weight across the system using composites and 3D printing in partnership with Snapmaker.
The Body and Structures team has been focused on transforming last year's concepts into a lighter and stronger structure that's easier to assemble. Every part of the build, from the cockpit and dashboard to the mounting systems, has been reworked for improved performance and precision.
Our electrical system is being upgraded with high-performance solar panels and increased battery power output in collaboration with MAHLE Powertrain. We are also refining our wiring harness and cooling systems to reduce weight and improve reliability.
This year, the software engineering team is integrating state-of-the-art telemetry and sensor solutions to construct a digital twin of the boat. In doing so, we're going to leverage real-time data insight to optimize performance.
But behind the technical story, Riviera is a community, a team of students united by ambition, a shared passion to collaborate and to learn. Backed by world-leading academics and pioneering industry partners, we're chartering new courses, not only in clean marine innovation, but in what a student-led team can accomplish.
Support from Cape Horn Engineering in the form of multi-phase stability and control simulations are crucial to the success of our hydrofoil team. On the water, Mustang survival gear will keep us warm, dry and focused during our intense testing at Grafham and our races in Monaco.
Riviera Racing is more than just a team. It is a movement to prove what the future generation of engineers can do.
We're opening our doors to partners and sponsors who share our commitment to sustainable innovation.
And together, we can redefine zero emissions power.